Now, the first thing to understand is that AI is in what we call a super cycle. It is not a fad. It is not a cycle. It is a super cycle. Now, what is a super cycle? A super cycle is defined by ChatGPT, okay? It's an extended period of strong, sustained growth lasting at least 10 to 40 years, okay? A super cycle lasts 10 to 40 years. And right now, how many years are we in the AI cycle that started in November 2022? How many years are we in? How many years are we in? We're only in year three. Year three, okay? This thing's gonna last at least 10 to 40 years. Now, let me show you this. So how did this whole thing start? So this thing started again in November 2022 with the launch of ChatGPT, right? And so it started with what we call text-to-text large language model. So you ask a question, it answers you. You ask another question, it answers you, right? Text-to-text. And then some of you know that now with you create text, you create images. How many of you have been playing with AI where you ask it to create a picture and edit a picture? How many of you have been playing with that? All right, so it started with Mid-Journey, and now there's thousands of software, right? And then we have got video, where I say, create this video for me. How have you been playing with that, right? You can now make videos and stuff like that. And so we had Sora, we had Veo, and now, which is the most powerful video and image software? Which is the most powerful one right now? Everyone's talking about it. It is Nano Banana Pro. It is freaking amazing. You got to learn Nano Banana Pro. It is owned by Google, right? It's by Gemini. It is amazing, right? So we started with generative AI. So again, we have been doing this for only 3 years. And where are we now? We are now right here, okay? And by the way, this is continuing to improve every single day. What is the next stage that we just started? From generative AI, what is the next stage that we are now only beginning to build? It is agentic AI, or what we call AI agents, right? Now, what are AI agents? They are digital agents capable of enhanced reasoning and decision-making with minimum human oversight. So the large language models is like you ask a question, it answers you. You type something, it creates an image, right? Digital agents are like digital employees that work autonomously, and they can do many things autonomously, right? So for example, my company, recently we spent a lot of money. We sent all our staff to learn about agentic AI so that my staff in my company can now build AI agents themselves. So with AI agents, you can use the agent to do cold calling for you. We built an AI person that you can't tell is not a human being. It sounds exactly like a human, but it's AI that makes cold calls for us, for customers. We build AI agents to help us to book flights, to book hotels, to read emails, and to reply all our emails, all done by AI agents. And now my entire company is being trained in agentic AI, okay? So the AI agent market is forecast to reach 42.7 billion in 2030. So how do you build AI agents?
Catch all Black Market 2025 replays, free for a limited time only. Get instant access now